As traditional scaling approaches physical limits, chip makers are turning to SABRE 3D, Lam's market-leading electrochemical deposition solution. For more than 15 years, customers have relied on its proven performance, and today it's enabling the next generation of advanced packaging chips. For maximum performance, multiple dies are often stacked on top of each other in close proximity and connected by TSVs, or through silicon vias. SABRE 3D delivers perfect wiring inside these complex features with zero defects and excellent conductor properties. And to enable increased die stacking, SABRE 3D produces uniform-sized and tightly spaced microbumps, allowing more connections in a smaller footprint. As these architectures shrink even further, hybrid bonding allows for more dense connections with ultra-fine pitch. SABRE 3D makes this possible by depositing fine-grained copper that's optimized for low-temperature, void-free bonding with high strength. Every SABRE 3D tool features a modular design, tailored to meet each customer's unique requirements. Installed in every major customer fab worldwide, our partners achieve higher yields, increased productivity, and faster time to market.